A lot of Muslims in the United States ask one simple question: can I buy a home without interest? Today, I want to explain one halal home financing structure in a very simple way. No complicated terms, no selling, just clarity. The concern isn't about owning a home. It's about how financing works. Traditional mortgages are based on interest, and that's something many Muslims prefer to avoid. One alternative that's commonly discussed is called murabaha. And murabaha is actually very simple. Instead of a bank lending you money, the financing company buys the home first, then they sell that home to you at a known agreed upon price. You pay that price over time. Here's what that looks like step by step. First, you choose the home you want, just like any buyer. Second, the financing company purchases that home. Third, they sell that home to you at a fixed price. That price includes the original cost plus an agreed profit. Fourth, you make monthly payment towards that total price. That payment is clear and predictable. You are the homeowner. You buy equity similar to a traditional purchase. The difference is not the payment amount. The difference is the structure. Murabaha is a sale. A conventional mortgage is a loan with interest. Murabaha may be suitable for buyers who want clarity, payment stability, and a faith-aligned structure. If this explanation helped you make things clear, there are more simple breakdowns like this one on the channel. You're welcome to stay and learn at your own pace.